industry where efficiency is survival, reliance on slow conventional data is a risk. Lost hours, lost hectares, lost revenue. The future of plantation and infrastructure management demands immediate millimeter-accurate clarity. In a world of multi-trillion-dollar assets, guessing is gambling. Agriculture, infrastructure, defense, they are flying blind. They need precision. They need geospatial and digital twins. Our 15 years journey has been dedicated to solve world's critical problems with geospatial and digital twin technology by creating a seamless ecosystem of data collection, processing, and sharing that fuels predictive insights and sustainable growth across agriculture, construction, and engineering, defense, environment, and manufacturing sectors. We turn raw airspace data into profitable operations through 3 core services. First, precision inventory mapping. Our UAVs provide a digital inventory of all plantation assets. This gives you the definitive tree count, accurate road density, and infrastructure mapping needed for cost and profits projection, turning uncertainty into a measurable asset database. Second, proactive crop health monitoring. Using specialized multispectral sensors, we go beyond visible light. We deploy vegetation indexes like NDVI and SAVI to instantly detect water or mineral deficiencies and pest infestations. This allows for hyper-targeted application of fertilizer and pesticides, reducing input expenses and minimizing losses, and maximizing yield across your entire operation. And third, strategic design and planning. Our UAV data acts as the ultimate blueprint. We generate highly accurate design maps for replanting and new planting, from road alignment to proper terrace construction. This solution ensures MSPO, RSPO, EUTR compliance and provides a clear reference for budget estimation, saving time and cost versus traditional surveying. Our commitment to R&D means we constantly innovate. We are MySTI certified and TIS Sandbox recipients. We build that geospatial intelligence and digital twin, enabling crop intelligence, real-time asset tracking, and intelligence for management decisions, making the data accessible where and when it's needed most. We are the trusted eyes for the industry player in the region, such as Felcra, Bosted, Rizda, plus Berhad. We have mapped over 3 million hectares across 6 countries. We aren't testing the market, we are leading it. Other services by MySpatial. 3D scanning for BIM. Accurate site scanning for precise BIM modeling and project planning. Virtual reality. Immersive VR solutions for design visualization, walkthroughs, and presentations. System and apps development. Custom-built systems and applications tailored to spatial and project needs. Training services. Professional training in GIS, remote sensing, drone or UAV operations, and BIM.
MySpatial has built a strong track record partnering with leaders across Malaysia and internationally. Our philosophy is simple, which is to be ahead of others through relentless technological innovation. We have the team, the expertise, the technology, and the financial structure to scale our proven model across Asia and beyond. We are not just a service provider. We are positioning ourselves as a partner in shaping the industry towards a more intelligent, profitable, and sustainable future.